Today I'll show you how to reball an iPhone CPU. So let's get started. You need to remove the logic board separately, then use a hot air gun on the CPU to lift it off. You need to wiggle it from the side with an IC lifter so that it comes off gradually. Once it's loose enough, lift the CPU off. Apply paste to the CPU pins. Now solder it properly using a soldering iron. After soldering, clean it thoroughly with paste and a solder wick. This is the main culprit. Now I'll lift it off with a hot air gun, then use paste to solder the entire CPU with an iron at 380 degrees Celsius. Now I'll clean it thoroughly with a cleaner. Then align the stencil and apply solder paste using a scraper. Next, use a hot air gun to heat it so that the pins form into balls. Once the CPU solder balls have formed, carefully place the CPU back onto the board. Carefully align the CPU and place it, then use a hot air gun to reflow it. Once the CPU is in place, the process is complete.